Hey guys, I hope this video finds you safe and well. It's morning time here and this is a breakfast video, which I'm so stoked about. I love breakfast. I love making breakfast. This one is super easy and once you plate it, it looks really pretty, which is a bonus. So, okay, cool, here we go. Baked eggs, super easy. It's crazy. Preheat your oven to 350, any kind of muffin tin. I like using nonstick when it comes to eggs. Normally, I'm not really a fan of nonstick, but when it comes to eggs, it's so hard to clean eggs off of stainless steel or any kind of pan that you have that doesn't have a nonstick quality. So for this recipe, I highly recommend nonstick if you have a good nonstick muffin tin. A little bit of butter. You can also use like olive oil or an oil spray. I don't see anything wrong with butter. This is really good organic butter. I don't see anything wrong with that, like everything in moderation. Next, let me wipe my hands. I like to crack the eggs into a bowl first and then transfer it into here because I find that when you crack the egg straight into here, it's kind of hard to dig the shells out in case a piece of a shell goes in there. So make sure your oven is preheating to 350. Okay, so let's drop this one in. Try not to break the yolk. So this morning, I'm gonna make 6 baked eggs. This is like my new breakfast obsession. Because then also, once you get the habit of making the baked eggs, you can then like make little frittatas. And like the video I did for you guys 2 weeks ago, that was like a little frittata type of thing. This is even way easier. You just want to do a little bit of salt, fresh ground pepper. Okay, so my oven is preheating to 350. I'm gonna stick these in and set a timer for 6 minutes. Then we're gonna turn them around and cook it for another 7 minutes. And again, it all depends on how runny you want the yolk. I found that doing 6 minutes, turning it, and then doing 7, and you turn it so that it cooks evenly. And I found that by doing that, the yolk is perfect for my liking. So that takes a little bit of experiment and, you know, depending on what you guys like. But that's something that I found where the white is perfectly cooked and the yolk is just a little bit runny. So in the oven, set a timer for 6 minutes. So while the eggs are cooking, I'm gonna get the rest of the breakfast ready. So this is just some arugula. You can use any kind of mixed greens that you like. I like arugula because I like it because it has like that little peppery bite. This is a lemon vinaigrette. I always have some kind of vinaigrette in my fridge. And when it's in the fridge, it solidifies. So what I do is I take a bowl of warm water, and I just stick it in there and I let it sit for like 5 minutes and then it's totally ready to go again. And then you can just keep salad dressing prepped in your fridge. And then this is a great way to bring it back so it's this really great consistency. So a little bit of Parmesan. Again, I've mentioned this to you guys before. I love Parmesan cheese because it lasts for such a long time in the fridge. And then when you get it all shaved down and you just have the rind left, I'll throw it into a stock or soups and it gives it a nice rich flavor and thickens it a little bit. Okay, great. Shake. Little salt and pepper. And then our salad is ready to go. Great, so this is just a nice little side salad. And the other thing I'm gonna do is make some avocado toast with the eggs and then breakfast is done. It's so yummy. Okay, let's flip the eggs. So you wanna turn the eggs so that they cook evenly. Okay, so now let's set a timer for 7 minutes. So now we're gonna make some avocado toast, super easy. Just toast your bread. A little bit of butter. It helps a lot if your butter is room temperature. Some people don't put butter on their toast when they do avocado toast because the avocado will be smeared on it, but adding butter really makes a difference. I'm just gonna add the avocado, salt and pepper, and you're done. Smush it on there. I also like how it just looks with the sliced avocado. Okay, great. So now let's just add a little bit of salt, pepper, avocado toast. Perfect. Now our eggs are going to be ready in like a minute, and then breakfast is done. Okay, it's been 7 minutes. So great. Yeah, that's really good. So the white is totally cooked. Beautiful. And you can tell that the yolk is still going to be a little bit runny, which is awesome. After you take your eggs out of the oven, you want them to like sit for about 2 minutes because they'll continue to cook. So now these, look at that. Yay. That is perfect. The nonstick pan really makes a difference. The other thing that I love to do is add a little bit of chili flakes on the top for a little kick and a little bit of pop of color. Okay, great. Breakfast is served. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another one, and I'll see you guys next time.